I'm Carl Quarterman, I'm from Queensland Gaskets. I'm the Managing Director and owner of the business, and we're a manufacturing business located in Salisbury in Queensland, and we manufacture components and parts to a variety of industries, but in particular to the renewable sector as well. So often we're supplying to other businesses who are part of that supply chain. And the supply chain is really important because it's the opportunity for many businesses to be a part of delivering what Queensland needs to deliver, but also as a whole the renewable sector. There's opportunity for small, medium enterprises. These opportunities are sometimes a little bit hard to find, so getting involved in networking, being part of these sort of events and visiting places online like ICN Network and those will assist with helping to find those opportunities.